Hi guys, welcome to another episode. Earlier we enjoyed part 1 of the dance class with RickySample. Today we're going to do the part 2. So grab your dancing shoes and let's get moving.
Alright, this is RickySample again with our next new dance. This one is called the stir fry. Now this one have a lot to do with your feet. You're gonna do your feet like this, but with the toes, not the heel. Toes. Feel it. Catch it. Catch it. Stir. 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 That's the first basic move. First basic move. Now you bend your back with it. Stir. 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 That's the basic. Now you gotta walk with it. A little bit. To the left. Stir. 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 Basic. Stir. Take it backward. Go forward. Stir. Stir. Catch your foot. Catch your foot. Catch your foot. Stir fry. Simple. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Bend your back with it. Hands to the side. Nice it up. Stir. Rock. Rock. Stir. You catch it? Clap with it. You can rock with it. You can dip with it. You can stand with it. Alright then. Bend your back and then a little stir fry. Double up. Double. 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 That's how you nice it up. Boom. RickySample again. Stir fry. That's it.